I'm just a young girl from Kwanyisa by Hillcrest. And then Katie, in fact, I'm turning 30 tomorrow. I'm very excited.
Happy birthday, Beyonce.
I'm very excited to be entering a new decade. So yes, as I said, it's Ranyusa. I'm a mother, I'm a sister, I'm a daughter, I'm also a chef. I'm also training to be a facilitator at the moment so we can run more formal classes. Yeah, man. Oh, I'm a boss as well. I'm a nice boss to my employees.
Hey.
So I wear many hats, but I'm just a girl. Yeah. Okay, ngoba sengishilo ukuthi I'm a chef. So lapha chef school, we get a practical experience. So ka-baking siyayithola i-practical experience ubone ukuthi kunjani ukusebenza e-baker ka-hot kitchen la senza khona ukudla like fast food nakhona uyayithola i-experience yakhona. So ngathi uma ngiweya ngibuka ama-challenges angala nama-challenges angapha ngabona ukuthi hayi no ka-baking sengathi kungcono. For example, bekuthiwa kunomshado ngiyazi ukuthi mina I'm gonna work ngihambe ngiyoshiya ikhekhe sengihlukene umuntu ophekayo kufanele apheke aphake uqoqa izitsha ukudla kuyashoda bese kuba khona abantu abawu-100 yabona. So nje I just felt baking was more me because I prefer working behind the scenes, working at my own pace, ngihambise a finished product to i-customer. Yeah. Okay. So ibhizinisi ngaliqala ngo-2016 because ngaqeda chef school ngo-2015 and then 2016 ngaliqala ibhizinisi but ngangisebenza so ngangilenza part-time. Ngisafuna ukubona ukuthi liyaba busy ngizokwazi ukuyiphilisa ngalo yabo because awukwazi ukuvela usuke and jump straight into business ungazi ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani. So ngaqala ngo-2016 up until 20, when was COVID? 2020. Yes, up until COVID, then I got retrenched. Kwase kwangiphoqa ukuthi ngibe in business full time. So business yami ngaqala full time ngo-2020 after sengiretshentshiwe emsebenzini. Sinezinto esibiza ngama-ritual lapha esitolo. We've got weekly rituals, we've got daily rituals, we've got monthly rituals. So daily into yokuqala nje engiyenzayo is to check i-admin ngifike esitolo because akusizi ukuthi ngiyoqala ukubhaka kunama-message kungena ama-call angiba-attendile abantu so ngigcina usuphazamiseka. So our ritual is first thing masifike ekuseni we check i-admin ama-message abantu ama-email angayizolo because abanye abantu basenda ama-message ebusuku singakwazi ukubaphendula. Inquiries mhlawumbe izinto ezidale kwi-to-do list from the day before. So usuku lami nje liqala nge-admin and then masesiqedile i-admin then we know what we need to do for the day ahead. Sometimes usuke kunama-order afakwe ekuseni afunakala namhlanje so we tell i-team ise-kitchen it's okay namhlanje sinama-order ukuthi nokuthi nokuthi and then they start preparing them. If ukuthi khona nawangakusasa that we can prepare ahead, we also do that. And then after sekubhakiwe, okay, I don't bake anymore so bakhona ababhakayo. No, not in a bad way. Like business you figure out izinto oyithandayo uzenze nongathandi ukuzenza yabo. So mina sengifake isikhathi eside for me it's just like yabo lo msebenzi I will give it to someone
unkhathelo flower
yabo ngi-right mina mase kufika la ko-decoration yabo garnishing ngiyathanda to save my creative mind for lo msebenzi loyo ngingayikhathazi ngalokho because bakhona abantu you know.
Yeah, I'm boss lady.
So yeah, my days are normally like that. Sometimes ukuqale kusuku nje usuku luphathi by midday busy like khona nje usuku la saqala khona it was a quiet day bafuna i-client ngifuna ama-sponsor 600 by 6 o'clock so kufanele sisebenze manje. It was a quiet day but nje on a regular day it's admin, baking, garnishing makuthi kunama-garnish and deliveries at the end of the day. Yeah, I was proud. I was proud because if you read Stats, most people don't read to 10 years kumabhizinisi. Umuntu uyenza 1, 2, 3 years abona ukuthi akuhlangani ashiye kanjalo. So I'm very proud of myself for sticking it out. Even though u-10 years ubungayona lento ebengiyipicture bengitshela mhlawumbe by the end of 10 years ngibe sengine-Range Rover. Sengiyubhalize Lestro ney'tolo eziwu-5. It's not what I had in mind, but I'm proud for ukuthi sengila ngikhona because it's definitely not where we started. We are far from where we started, so I'm proud of myself. I'm proud of the team futhi esisebenzelayo because kunzima ukusebenzela i-small business. Sometimes kuyahlangana, sometimes akuhlangani, so ama-employees ethu share. I'm also proud of them for sticking it through with us. So yes, I think in summary, in the 10 years, I can just say I'm proud that I made it this far. Yeah.
And that's
So since I'm seasonal specials, so sigada iy'nsuku ey'fana no Mother's Day or Father's Day, or Teacher's Day, Grandparents' Day, Christmas. So siba ney'pesheli ngey'nsuku ey'kanjalo where people vele bayafuna ukuspenda, they want to spoil their loved ones. So sisikhethe lezo y'nsuku nathi to position ourselves. Singavele senze especially nje that no one is going to buy. So uyazi nge-Mother's Day vele abantu bayafuna, to be buying things. So yeah. Yeah, Father's Day is coming up, so nakhona fanele sicabanga ukuthi sizokwenzani that is relevant to obaba nababazoyithanda. So yeah, that's that. Mhlawumbe sokwenza like personalized biscuits sobona nje, yeah, because obaba bafana nomama, they're not over the top. So yeah.
Yeah, it's indeed.
I think ukusebenza ngokudla it's a must nje ukuthi ube umuntu oclean because kungenzeka ukuthi umuntu agule from something that you've done. Uthole ukuthi ufake etrayini elingaqiniwe umuntu useyegula. That's a serious issue. So we've got standard SOPs when it comes to cleaning. It's okay, every 15 minutes, for example, you need to wash your hands. Sanitizer, surface sanitizers, hand sanitizers. When we do scrub down, because service, for example, Miss Cleaner at the end of the day, as far as food, some 3D, about they are clean and they're like bonala corner. So we've got things okay, find the scrub down where we clean everything, and then about 7 days they're obviously trained when it comes to hygiene. This is how you handle order my customer, this is how you store my ingredients. Because another thing is the storage of ingredients. So ubeka amaqanda at the wrong temperature, that's hazardous. So we ensure with our staff members we train them to avoid any issues that would cause harm to our customers that consume our products. Yeah. Standard operating procedures.
Okay,
So for example, so for example, you do 1, 2, and 3. Umuntu ozovula la station. Fanele avule akhanyisa amalayithi, akhipha amabhena, yabo. So regardless ukuthi uba ufikile ekuseni, the same thing is going to be done. So ama-SOPs into kanjalo to ensure ukuthi i-standard somsebenzi doesn't change. Ngokuthi khona bayi-shifting namhlanje. Yeah. I think one message is to start akukho nje okunye nokuthi they must understand ukuthi ibhizinisi kunzima nje by nature. It's not easy. So maybe sibona siposta silapha ko Izolo Mzansi FM, silapha senza ama-event. That's just the end product. Could not behind the scenes. Stuff ekade singalali. Nama deadline. You need to be organized. Nama customer are happy, angekho happy, and fanele uhandlishe zonke lezo zinto lezo, especially if business fuela. Sengathi ungumuntu o passionate ngalento oyenzayo. And also do your research ngento ofisa uyiqala, ungaqali into ngoba nakho wena uyayithanda but indawo kuyona ayivumeli ukuthi wenze leyo product or service. Yeah, that's it.